So that the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 equal to 0 touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z equal to 3 and find also the point of contact. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, ஒரு ஸ்பியர் ஒரு பிளேன் அந்த பிளேன் வந்து அந்த ஸ்பியரை டச் பண்ணுது எப்படி சொல்றாங்க. Imagine it. So this is the plane. This sphere touches this plane. Okay. So this is the center of the sphere, and this is the radius. Is it right? What I have to prove? This plane touches this sphere, right? So for that, we have to prove that the radius of the sphere is equal to a perpendicular distance from here to this plane. I know proof antana. This plane touches this sphere, right? Okay. Will be the center and the radius of the sphere. So this is the equation of the sphere. Will be the center. So minus u minus v minus w, and radius root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d, right? So the 2u equals minus 2, so u equal to minus 1, and 2v equals minus 4, so v equal to minus 2, then 2w equals 2 and w equals 1 and d equals minus 3. So therefore the center is equal to that minus c minus w, so 1 2 minus 1, and then radius r equals root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d, so root of 5 6 9 by 3. So radius is 3 and the center is 1 2 minus 1. Okay. So we have to find out the perpendicular distance from the center to this plane. So we take it as this c and this c. The perpendicular distance from the center c to the plane is equal, will be the formula ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So what is ax1? This is the equation of the plane. Yeah. So 2 into x1 is 1, then minus 2 into y1 is 2. This is x1 y1, right? Then plus 1 into z is 1. Then d is plus 12 by root of a square. So 4 plus 4 plus 1. So I'll get now. So 2, then minus 4 minus 2. So here minus 3, so 9. So 9 by root 9. So root 9 is 3. So obviously 3. So the perpendicular distance from the center C to the point P is 3 and the radius is also 3. So therefore the plane touches this sphere. Right? So here radius equals perpendicular distance. Therefore tangent plane touches the sphere. Now what I have to find out now? I have to find out this point P. Right? Now you find out this point P. So for that we need the equation of this line. Right? So the equation of this plane is 1. 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 equal to 0. So therefore the drs of the CP is 1. So to find the equation of CP. So CP is here, CP is 1. So here CP is normal to the plane, right? So therefore drs of CP are 2 minus 2 1, and then this CP is passing through the point, the center 1 2 minus 1. So therefore the equation of CP is x minus x1 is 1 by 2 equals y minus y1 is 2 by minus 2 equal to z minus z plus 1 by 1, which is equal to r. So this is the equation of CP, right? So any point on this line, so any point on CP is 1. X equal, compare this and this. So 2r plus 1, y equal minus 2r plus 2, then z equal r minus 1. So therefore this point is lying on this plane, right? The point P is 1 lying on this plane. Therefore this point satisfies this equation. So since therefore P, so 2r plus 1 minus 2r plus 2 and r minus 1. So since P is on the plane, therefore so 2 into 2r plus 1 minus 2 into minus 2r plus 2, then plus z or minus 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Simplifying, so 4r plus 2, then plus 4r minus 4 plus r minus 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Simplifying, 4r, 8r, then 9r, then 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, so plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, r equal to minus 1. Right? So therefore, what will be the point of contact? So therefore, the point of contact P is, put r equal to minus 1 in this. So minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1. Then put minus 1 here. So 2 plus 2, 4. Then minus 2. So this is the point of contact, right? Find the equation of the sphere passing through the circle given by the equation of two spheres are given. So on the point 1, minus 2, 3. So circle la inga enna mean pandranga, the intersection of the two spheres. So this is sphere 1, and this is another sphere, sphere 2. The intersection of those two spheres is a circle. So the equation of the required sphere, so the equation of the sphere is passing through this circle, right? So obviously maybe like this, imagine it. So this is the required sphere passing through this circle. Right? So this sphere, you have to find out this equation of this sphere. So this sphere is passing through the point 1, minus 2, 3. Okay. You know the formula. So any sphere passing through the circle, this is an intersection of two spheres, nothing but the equation of sphere. So S1 plus lambda S2 equal 3. The equation of sphere passing through the circle may be an intersection of two spheres, right? This is S1 plus lambda S2 equal to 0. So take that this is S1 and this is S2, right? So now x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 3x plus y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda into S2. So this equation x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. This is equal to as equation number 1. So this equation is passing through this point 1 minus 2 3. So since equation 1 is passing through the point 1 minus 2 3, right? So therefore substitute this point in this equation. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3, then minus 2, then plus 12 minus 3. So plus lambda into the 1 plus 4 plus 9, then plus 2, then minus 6 plus 6 equal 0. We simplify it, we get lambda equal minus 3 by 2. We simplify this expression, we get lambda equal to minus 3 by 2. Right? Now substitute this lambda equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation 1. What will get? Put lambda equal minus 3 by 2. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 3x plus y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda order value and minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 into this expression x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal. Cross multiply. So 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 2z squared plus 6x plus 2y plus 8z minus 6. Multiply here. Minus 3x squared minus 3y squared minus 3z squared minus 6x minus 9y minus 18 equal 0. We simplify. What is it? So 2x squared here minus 3x squared. So minus x squared minus y squared minus z squared. Right? Then plus 6x minus 6x. It's cancelled. Then plus 2y and minus 9y. So minus 7y. Then plus 8 is it? Only 8 is it. So plus 8 is it. Then minus 6. Here minus 18. So minus 24 equals 0. So multiplied by minus 1. X squared plus y squared plus z squared. So plus 7y. Minus 8 is it? Plus 24 equals. So this is the equation of the equation. Okay, the next problem. Find the equation of the sphere having the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 equal to 0 and x plus y plus z equal to 3 as a great circle. The great circle is the biggest circle, right? The circle is the intersection of the sphere and the plane. Yeah. என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? So this circle, this is a plane, so this is a circle. Right. The circle, a sphere passing through. So this circle is a great circle of this sphere. A great circle of so this is the sphere. So this plane cut or passing through the center of the sphere. இதான இருக்கும் ஒரு கிரேட் சர்க்கிளா இது வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா? We have to find out the equation of this sphere. And this plane is known, right? This is a circle. So this circle is the great circle of the required sphere, right? So that means what will be this equation of the sphere? So any sphere passing through the circle, yes? So any sphere passing through the circle S plus lambda p. Yeah. இந்த சர்க்கிள் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு? ஒரு ஸ்பியரும் ஒரு பிளேனும் இருக்கு, right? So S plus lambda p equal to 0. So what is S? So this is S and this is p. We get x square plus y square plus z square plus 10y minus 4z minus 8 plus lambda into x plus y plus z minus 3 equal 0. So simplify it, x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda x plus lambda plus 10 into y, then plus lambda minus 4 into z, then plus minus 3 lambda minus 8 equal to 0. Right. So this is the equation of although the center of the sphere is lying on this plane. Yeah. So since the circle is a great circle, so the center of the sphere is lying on this plane. Therefore, what will be the center of the sphere? So center of the sphere, center. What will be the center? So minus u minus v minus w. So minus u, so minus lambda by 2, and minus lambda plus 10 by 2, then lambda minus 4 by 2. This is the center. So this center is lying on this plane. Since given circle, great circle, therefore center lies on the plane. Therefore minus lambda by 2, or minus lambda plus 10 by 2, then minus lambda minus 4 by 2 equal 3. Okay, substitute in this equation of the plane. So you may get, okay, so minus lambda minus 10 minus lambda plus 4 by 2 equal to 3, so equals 6. Simplifying, so minus 3 lambda, then minus 6 equal to 6, minus 3 lambda equal to 12, so lambda equal to minus 4. We substitute lambda equal to minus 4 in 1, therefore x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x, lambda equal to minus 4 plus 6y, then minus 8z, then plus 12 and plus 4 equals 0. Right? Next problem. So prove that the two spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4z equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus z square plus 10x plus 2z plus 10 equal to 0 touch each other. Touch each other means either the two spheres touch internally or externally. Either the two spheres given like this. There is R1, so this is R1 and this is R2, this center C1, this is C2. Or either touch internally. Right? This is center. This is R2, this is R1 and this is either two spheres touch either externally or internally. If you doesn't know that, you have to find out the value of the centers and the radius R1 and R2. So this is the first sphere. So given x square, that is a sphere 1, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4z equal to 0. For the center, the center is minus 1, minus 2, right? So plus 1. So plus 1, minus 2 and plus 2. This is the center. And then radius, root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 0. Is equal to root 9 equal to 3. Then the second sphere, S2, x square plus y square plus z square plus 10x plus 2z plus 10 equal to 0. So here see, this is the center C1 and center C2. So minus u, that is a minus 5. So y is not there, so 0 and minus 1. Then radius, root of 25, 0 plus 1 minus 10. Now I'll get now. So 26 minus 10, so 16, 4. So this R1 equal to 3 and then R2 equals 4. R1 equal to 3 and R2 equal to 4. Now you find out the distance between the two centers. Right? C1, C2. The distance between the two centers. So C1 is 1 minus 2, 2. And C2 minus 5, 0, minus 1. And then C1, C2 equal the distance between these 2 points. So minus 5 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 plus 2 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 the whole square. The root of so minus 5 minus 1, 6. So 36 plus 4 plus 9. So 49 is equal to 7. The distance between these 2 points, C1, C2 is 7 and R1 equal to 3 and R2 equal to 4. So therefore, C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, the two spheres, the sum of this radii is equal to the distance between the two centers. Therefore, the two spheres touch. Therefore, the given two spheres. Yes, so there is 3 and this is 4. Then C1 is 1 minus 2, 2. And C2 is minus 5, 0, minus 1. So I have to find out this point of intersection, right? So take the point of intersection BP, right? So the P divides the line C1, C2 in the ratio 3:4, right? So later, the point of intersection B, so P divides C1, C2 in the ratio 3:4, right? This is the point P. So P divides this line C1, C2 in the ratio 3:4. Therefore, the coordinate of P is what? So mx1 plus nx1 by m plus n, and my1 plus n, so mx2, sorry. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Then mz2 nz1 by m plus n. Right? So for the P, so mx2. So this m and n. So this 1 minus 2, 2. So 1 minus 2, 2. So this x1, y1, z1, and minus 5 is 0, minus 1. So this x2, y2 is 6. So mx2, so m is 3, so 3 into x2 is minus 5. N is 4 into x1 is 1 by m plus n, 7. Then my2, so 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 2 by 7. Then mz2, so 3 into minus 1 plus n z1. Simplifying, so minus 15 plus 4. So minus 11 by 7, here minus 8 by 7, then here minus 3 plus 8, 5 by 7. So these are point of